I am Beverly Longid, convener of Katribu, the National Alliance of Indigenous Peoples Organizations in the Philippines, and of the International Indigenous Peoples Movement for Self-Determination and Liberation. On this Global Day of Action against Operation Kagar, we express our highest solidarity with the Adivasis and peasants of Central India. Operation Kagar in Central India and the nationwide Operation Samadan Prahar has mainly targeted Adivasis, including women and children, while hiding behind an anti-mugs campaign. The Modi government continues to demonstrate a clear pattern of impunity and disregard for human rights, international humanitarian law, and the fundamental rights of peasants and Adivasis. In the past months, we have consistently monitored reports of atrocious attacks committed by India's security forces. Massacres are happening left and right, such as the killing of 4 Maria indigenous peoples while performing their traditional rituals, followed by 12 indigenous villagers killed while gathering leaves for cigars. Aerial bombardments and strafing of tribal villages are happening with zero remorse for mothers and children. This April, forest villages in Chhattisgarh were carpeted with rocket launchers, forcing Adivasi communities to flee their homes and leave behind their livelihood. Since the commencement of Operation Kagar, thousands of troops have been deployed in the region, with a high concentration in the area of Abu Jamad, widely considered one of the last frontiers of India. Multinational and transnational corporations also play a hand in the violence being unleashed in the region, with big businesses interested in looting Abu Jamad dry of its resources. Additionally, U.S. military funding and training alongside Zionist Israel forces further reinforce the brutality of India's military. Amidst all this, we commend the Adivasis and peasants of Central India for their steadfast commitment to fight for their rights to land, development, and self-determination. Likewise, we pay our highest tribute to the martyrs of the people's resistance who have fallen while pushing back against the terror of Modi's military policy. Stop Operation Kagar, stop Operation Samadan Prahar, pull out state forces in Abu Jamad, stop the massacre of Adivasis, stop the bombings.